In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the availability for everyone at a specific location. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then choose the location you would like to view availability for and select Employees. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select View Availability. Now you should arrive at a weekly calendar that is showing all of your employees' availability. At a glance, green means that they're available for the whole day, yellow means they're only available for certain hours during that day, and red means they're not available at all. If I want, I can change this from today to the next week by clicking this arrow, and now I'm seeing next week's availability. I can also go back using the arrow or click on today. I can change the view of this calendar to one day at a time by going to the top right-hand corner and clicking on Day. Now I'm seeing each employee's availability for this day. In this view, the green all-day availability goes all the way across the top, and the yellow partial availability lets you know when the employee's availability begins and ends for that day. On this day, there is no one who is not available. If I go forward a day, you can see the red also goes all the way across, letting you know that they are not available at all on that day. If you look at the availabilities, you'll see some say after hours local. That means they are available at that specific location. If you look down at the red bar underneath that, it says not available global. That means that employee is not available to work at any of the locations. So global means all locations, otherwise it'll specify the specific location. I can also view this as a head count. If I go to that top right-hand corner and click on Heads, you'll be able to see a head count for each day by hour. You can see there are 11 people who are available early in the morning. Those are people who marked they were available all day. Then, if I continue to scroll, you'll see 12 are available at 5 a.m., then 13, 14. And as we get to the middle of the day, you can see that more employees are available to work then. So this is just giving you an idea of how many employees you have available to work at any given time. If you start seeing a pattern where no one is available to work at a certain time of day and you need people then, you might have to talk to your employees about that or hire employees who are available at that time. If I scroll back up, I can go back to that weekly view by clicking on Week. If you want to view the details for any of your employees' availabilities, you can click on that availability, then choose Open. TeamWork 5 will then take you to that employee's availability template where you can view the details for their availability and make any adjustments that you need to. To go back to your availability overview, click on Tools and choose View Availability. That's how you can view all of your employees' availability for a specific location at one time. Check out the next video to learn how to mass update your employees' availability.